Hello and welcome digital outspace family and friends. Welcome to this new series, the complete guide to draw anime girls. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So as you probably know, the first things that you need to know when you're drawing is anime, particularly is to care about the eyes. This is the way, for example, you can represent your eyes while drawing. This is a real life eyes. But unfortunately, when you're doing anime, we don't use those features. This is not the way we do it. So let's now go into it. The first part that we will see in that series is how you can draw your eyes. So this is the basic when you're drawing an anime eyes. You know, first of all, you start by creating the oval. This is really important, but we are particularly talking about how you can draw a girl's characters. So this is how their eyes look like. Do not forget that oval shape of the eyes. This is the really basic things. So we will try to draw the other side. So in this single tutorial, not only I will show you how you can. This will be the part one. I will show you how you can draw it like normally, and we will try to put some expression on it. So this is like like a sample expression would look like. You start by drawing your oval. You put your iris really big, and do not forget that when you're doing this anime, the eyes is taking like the 1/3 of the whole faces. So this is the proportion. In the next video, we will also talk about how you can arrange the proportion of the face. But now we particularly focus on the eyes. So I think here you have it. So this is how like the eyes of anime girl, particularly the moe girl, will look like normally. So now we will try to change this expression a little bit. Why not make her mad? How now you can do this? You just first of all have to correct the eyes direction, the eyelid, the eyelash. So and here you have it. You know, I think here it is. Now we will try to switch that expression now, and how we can try to make her feel like, make her sad. So with tears in her eyes and so on. So this is a simple step. You just have to change once again. You start by your basic, and you change the eyelash, the highlight, the mouth position, and do not forget to put the tears. And I think here you have it. So this is really the basic. If you start by this and keep practicing, I think you will be good at it. So the next things we are planning to do also, we will try to come up with different other eyes, different other shape that I think that will help you. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please do not forget to like it and give it a big thumbs up. Yeah. And now, what about creating a really bright smile as we like them? So for this, the eyes will be completely closed. The eyelash will look much more thicker, as you can see, and we will try to change the direction also of the mouth for sure. The nose will kind of look closer, and the mouth in that case will be slightly open. And here you have it. So I think this will be all for today. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned because we will come with more and more to help you with your drawing process. Goodbye.